Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's question might seem simple but it's a fundamental one. What is computer? Think about it. This device we use every day, desktop, laptops, tablets, and they help us connect, create, learn and have fun. But how exactly do they work their magic? Let's break it down. A computer is made up of two key ingredients, hardware and software. Hardware is a physical stuff. The monitor you see, the screen on, the keyboard you type with, the mouse you use to point and click, and the most importantly, the CPU, the brain of the computer that does all calculation. Think of hardware like the parts in a car. You have the engine, the steering wheel, the wheels, all essential for the car to function. Now, software is like the instruction that tell the car what to do. It's a set of programs that allow you to play games, edit photos, or browse the internet. So imagine the hardware and software working together like a well-oiled machine. The software sends your commands like typing a document or searching the web, and the hardware make it happen. Computers are in all shapes and sizes. We have got the classic desktop with their towers and monitors, the ever popular laptops for on the go use, and even tablets that are like supersized smartphones. Each type has its own strength. Desktop offer more power, laptop offers portability, and tablets offer convenience. But remember, they all share the same basic building blocks of the hardware and software working together. The world of computer is constantly changing. They're getting smaller, faster, and smarter every day. We're already seeing amazing things like artificial intelligence and virtual reality. It's mind-blowing to think about where computers are headed and how they will keep shaping our lives. Thanks for joining me on this journey to understand what a computer is. If you have any question about computer or specific components, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.